Yeah, hi, I'm Jeff with Rhino Deck Armor. Little instruction on how to build our deck racks. They'll come unassembled. They'll all be numbered A to A, B to B, front bottom, front bottom, front top. Basically, it's all countersunk screws. They're already pre-drilled. If you do have a power drill, that's the easiest way. Don't overscrew them though. Already pre-sunk. Screw them into the holes. They're already pre-drilled. After you get done assembling, you might want to take, if you do have a sander, great. If not, sanding pad, kind of hit your edges. If you want to put a stain on it, whatever. I usually put a little Varathane on them. Along with your board rack, you're going to be getting a set of plugs for all your holes. Take those out. They'll come in a sandwich package. Put them in your holes. Tap them in until they're flush. I'll do that on this one. When you're ready and it's all built, if you want to stain it, whatever, put it on the wall. If you do have a level, put it on there. I suggest using some sort of drill bit or something, and you just put it up, level it up, however you want it. Mark your holes. Along with those, once you have your holes done, we also provide you with wall sync. These will grab into the sheetrock. You can screw these in with a regular Phillips, little screwdriver, or your drill, whatever you have. Along with that will come your screws and washers. You'll go through the 4 pre-drilled holes, tap those, and you're done. And then you got your final product sitting on your wall. Will hold your boards as so. I like them for display. I'm a big collector, but that's up to you. So.